The virtual reality (VR) landscape is evolving faster than ever, and one name sits firmly at the center of this transformation: Meta. Ever since Facebook rebranded to Meta, the company has made it abundantly clear that the future it envisions revolves around immersive experiences, mixed reality, and the creation of a fully fleshed-out metaverse. To power that vision, Meta has been investing heavily in its Quest headset lineup, pushing VR technology into more homes, schools, and workplaces than ever before. Now, the leaks surrounding the Meta Quest 4 have begun surfacing, and they paint a picture of a headset that could redefine not just gaming, but the very concept of how we interact with digital worlds. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. From massive hardware upgrades to smarter software integration, the Quest 4 is shaping up to be Meta's boldest leap forward yet. So, what exactly has leaked, and why does it matter so much? Let's break it down in detail. To understand why the Quest 4 is such a big deal, it's important to take a quick journey through the history of the Quest line. Oculus Quest 2019. The original Quest was a groundbreaking product. It was the first truly standalone VR headset. No PC, no wires, just slip it on and step into virtual worlds. It democratized VR in ways no other device had done before. Oculus Quest 2 2020. Then came the Quest 2, arguably the most successful VR headset of all time. It offered higher resolution, better performance, lighter weight, and an incredibly competitive price point. This was the headset that made VR mainstream. Meta Quest Pro 2022. Positioned as a premium product, the Quest Pro introduced mixed reality with full color pass-through, pancake lenses, and face/eye tracking. While innovative, its high price limited mass adoption. Meta Quest 3 2023. This headset found a sweet spot between affordability and advanced features. It introduced slimmer pancake lenses, more powerful processing, and impressive mixed reality capabilities while still being accessible. Now, in 2025, the stage is set for Meta Quest 4, and if leaks are accurate, it could be the biggest leap forward since the Quest 2. One of the strongest leaks suggests that the Meta Quest 4 will be powered by a next-generation Snapdragon XR chipset, likely co-developed with Qualcomm. This chip is rumored to bring double the GPU performance compared to the Quest 3. AI-powered rendering techniques, reducing the load on hardware while delivering higher visual fidelity. Support for 8K resolution per eye, although the final retail model may use something slightly lower for cost and efficiency reasons. Improved foveated rendering, leveraging eye tracking to focus resources where you're actually looking. This performance jump is critical because VR demands far more processing power than traditional gaming. Every frame must be rendered twice, once for each eye, at high refresh rates to avoid motion sickness. If the Quest 4 delivers on these performance leaks, it could rival PC-connected VR systems, but without the wires. Another major leak points to even thinner pancake lenses, making the headset lighter and more comfortable. One of the biggest barriers for VR adoption has always been comfort. Spending hours inside a bulky headset isn't enjoyable, no matter how immersive the visuals are. The Quest 4 is said to feature lenses that are 40% slimmer than those in the Quest 3, offering wider field of view (FOV), giving you more peripheral vision and